Get his gun from me. Get his gun from me.
I will.
All right, Cal.
Pull you back up. I will get
Cal.
it. Cal. I will get it.
Cal.
Right there.
Hey, come back, Cal. Come back, Cal.
I will get it from you.
I feel like I need a minute to process what I just witnessed. Okay, here's how I'm picturing this being planned. Yo, I want to propose to my girl. Yeah, man, what do you got in mind? So I'm thinking, I'll ask some cops to pretend like I got a gun. Oh, sick, dude. Maybe they could pull their guns out on you or something. Throw you on the ground. Yeah, man, and you know my girl, she supports me, so she'll jump right in front of them. Bro, yeah, she'll be like all freaked out and stuff like, no, don't shoot him. Okay, yeah, and while she pleads with me not to do it, I'm gonna reach my vest like I'm grabbing a gun. And then boom, I pull out a ring. Yes, this is perfect. Yo, someone call the boys and get a camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and yet another video of utter cringe and, in my humble opinion, stupidity. If you're new here, my name is Mikey Mo, and on this channel we cover a wide range of topics including law enforcement and related issues. If you want to find me on Instagram, all of the links are in the description down below. Now, if you enjoy any of this, it would really help the channel out greatly if you could slap a like on it. And if you're feeling super generous, you can hit that subscribe button and join the Mikey Mo mob. Now, back to this TikTok video. Don't get me wrong, I am all for a positive police interaction story, a feel-good story, if you will, but maybe, just maybe, not have part of it where they actually point weapons at the people just to give it a realistic effect. I mean, your girl over here is getting into it, crouching low, ducking and weaving. I mean, for a minute, I thought she was actually gonna tase his ass, forgetting this whole thing was just a prank. I mean, think about this. God forbid, another zone unit rolls up to the gas station to get his coffee and donut at the beginning of his shift, and he sees this going down. Next thing you know, he bails out of his cruiser, rushes the woman, and boom, tackles her ass right in front of everyone. I mean, I'd like to see someone write the use of force report on that one afterwards. Dear Chief. Now, I've seen versions of this where an officer pulls over the unsuspecting woman over with, you know, like a basic traffic stop, and the guy comes up with the ring, and there's a big laugh and a cry, and everyone goes on their way. But this is a whole new level. I mean, a level which I'm honestly just not comfortable with. Both officers had their department tasers unholstered and pointed directly at the man and ultimately the woman when she stepped in front of them. Now, granted, best I could tell they were off since I didn't see the red laser dot, but still, who thought this was a good idea? Especially with the climate right now, doing something like this just, to me, is a disaster waiting to happen. When I initially watched this video, I was yelling at my phone how stupid this was and wondering how anyone could even begin to think this was a good idea. I mean, given the state of our country right now and the divide over alleged police brutality, it just didn't seem good. Now, I did go back and I found the original TikTok. Best I can tell, it was filmed on May 10th, 2020. And if this is accurate, it puts it 15 days prior to the death of George Floyd. That does make me feel a little bit better about this situation, but only a little. For an example, back when I was brand new, we had an officer go to internal affairs after he placed a guy into the backseat of his cruiser for the purpose of a music video, okay? He was asked by the citizen, hey, could you pretend to arrest me and stick me in the back of your car for the sake of the music video? Now, he agreed to this thinking nothing of it, which honestly, I probably would have done the same thing too. And when the video ended up working its way back to department heads, he ended up getting in trouble for the misuse of department equipment. So the fact that these officers pointed actual department weapons at multiple subjects makes me wonder how their department feels about this. Now, as I always say, I'm not trying to be just negative or come down on these officers, but it's situations like this that I think need to be brought up, much like bad tactical videos, as a way to train and put a visual to an event which might not sound like a big deal on the surface, but when you see it played out, you go, maybe that was a bad idea. Now, fortunately, this seems to have gone over without any issues, and I am definitely thankful for that. I would love to know what you guys think. I'm always up for keeping myself in check, so do you agree that this was a poor decision on everyone's part? or am I just being extra no fun? I would definitely like to know what you guys think in the comments down below. So this is where I'm going to end today's video. I hope you are all doing really well, and as always, I appreciate all your support. Make sure to subscribe for more content, and until the next video, take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.